All you need is 30 seconds and you could be making $6 over and over again every 30 seconds. In under 30 seconds, all you need to do is press a few buttons here and there, and just like that, you could have $6. All you're gonna need is your smartphone or your computer, whatever you already have, and an internet connection, of course, and just like that, you can start making money. Our strategy for today is 100% free, so you don't need to worry about having to pay any money up front or even having to show any money for that matter. It's also super quick and easy to do. You don't need to have any technical skills or prior experience, so it's also perfect for anyone and everyone. It's worldwide available, so no matter where you are in this world, you can join in and have the chance to make $6 every 30 seconds over and over again. As always, we're going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First things first, open up peopleperhour.com. And I know that a lot of you have probably already heard about this website, but we promise you that we're using this website for a completely different reason. So don't even worry about it. As you can see, make bright ideas happen. Access global talent on the freelancer website trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. Now click on search right here and then select on search offers, and then you're going to be taken to this page, and what we want you to do is look up background removal, and then once you hit enter on that search, you're going to see all of the listings on this website for background removal services by different people with different rates. And there are a lot from what we're seeing right now. These are also people from literally all parts of the world, so you're definitely going to find a lot on here. This is exactly what we're going to be doing. These people are already making so much money from offering this specific service alone. But the difference with us is that we have a strategy that's basically going to do all of the background removal work for you, while all these people on here have to do it manually and put in so much work because they don't know about our secret. So to whoever is watching today's video, today is your lucky day. The secret that we have prepared for you today is also completely free, so make sure that you keep watching so that you guys can start making money ASAP. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Another website that we have for you wherein you can post the same type of listing and where you'll find a ton of background removal services being offered is on guru.com, and this is how their website looks like. Find and hire expert freelancers. Work with the best freelance talent from around the world on our secure, flexible, and most cost-effective platform. Now, what skill are you looking for? Now, this is completely fresh and brand new. It's a brand new website that we're sure you haven't heard before, and this is also a great website to offer background removal services because unlike People Per Hour, not a lot of people know about Guru yet. So there isn't much competition on here, which means you have more chances to really branching out your services and gaining more clients. So let's look up background removal on here as well. And this is just to see how the rates differ for People Per Hour. And these rates are also pretty good, if not better better than People Per Hour because there are lesser freelancers here, so the rates make a lot of sense. So People Per Hour and Guru are the two websites that's going to help us make money, and these two websites are websites that you should not underestimate or take for granted at all, because the money you're going to be making after today's video will actually blow your mind. It's time for the secret tool that's going to do all of the work for us, but before that, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our website or secret tool that's going to do all of the work for us is called clippingmagic.com, and this is how this website looks like. As you can read on here, magically remove image backgrounds. Fully automatically, then go far beyond the AI for free. You get the best of both. AutoClip AI, trained on millions and millions of real-world images, not artificial lab data. The Clipping Magic AutoClip AI background remover handles so much more than just a few cherry-picked foreground categories, and the learning hasn't stopped. As the AI background editor is exposed to more and more photos, its ability to handle yours continues to improve. And of course, a smart editor, the only background removal editor in the world that seamlessly combines fully automatic AI with smart keep, remove, hair tools, and a scalpel for precision cutouts. This gives you complete creative control. It is great for touch-ups or if you're looking for something different. And crucially, it lets you quickly succeed on 100% of images. It's professional, capable, awesome, and full-featured. It literally has everything you can possibly imagine. Basically, you're going to upload an image that you want the background removed, or just simply drag an image, and then it's going to initialize it, and just like that, it's going to take off the background of your photo, and you can see it here. Now, the best thing about this website is that despite it automatically taking out the background of any photo that you submit, you can still change it according to what you want specifically taken out, and if there are parts of the background that you want to keep. So you won't even have to worry about that, because it's always great when you have the freedom to move around and do your own thing and to the photos or the photos that you're going to be uploading. You're then going to download it, and just like that, it will be saved straight into your device, and you can now submit the project to your client. Another website that does the same thing, if ever Clipping Magic will not work for you, but it most probably will, but if you just want to try something out, is RemoveBG.com, and this website works just as smooth and actually works like magic. So keep this in mind, okay? And it works just the same as Clipping Magic. You upload or you drag an image for it to be background removed, and that's literally it. And now that you know that there are two websites that do this, you can post your services on both People Per Hour and Guru, then take as many projects as possible and literally charge your clients to how much you feel like you should be earning, and then just like that, earn like never before. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.